So ladies and gentlemen, you do it in this video. We're going to make fried eggs on toast. Alright, so we got our toast. Put some butter on our toast. Alright, so this is our, I really like this butter dish. Favorite butter dish. It's really good. Keeps the butter safe from the elements, dust or whatever that might be in the air. Alright, so we're going to put a pat of butter. We got 3 eggs, and we'll put that on our toast. Okay, we have this is our T-Fal frying pan that we're going to use. Non-stick frying pan. Big fan. Okay, so we got our butter. Just going to spread this around. Okay, put the lid on our butter dish. Got a little shell in there, but that's okay because it's good for calcium. Okay, so spread our butter around some on our toast. Okay, now I love the McCormick pure ground black pepper. It's a large one, and I put this on my eggs. I love pepper. And I have the burner. This is electric, obviously. And I have the element set to 4 out of 9 or 10. And the instructions on the pan is not to put this under high heat, because high heat can damage the coating. Alright, turn the burner off. There we go. So now we'll clean the pan. I don't like to wash the butter down the drain. Our friend Roger Wakefield made us aware of it's worth for the paper towel compared to what it would clear out a clogged drain. So I threw that paper towel away, and then, so this is how I clean the pan. Some Palmolive dish soap and my scrub brush here. Just get it good and clean. There you go. And then that'll naturally dry because the element is hot. Alright, so now we'll get our toast here. Get it all cut up. And I enjoy my eggs with my cup of coffee. So this is freshly brewed, Happy Belly, medium roast. And let's give this a taste. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good stuff.